Hello friends, welcome to Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can manipulate the data in a worksheet. Microsoft Excel allows you to move, copy and paste the cell and the cell content through cutting and pasting and copying and pasting. You have to select them. For that, click on it. You can see the cell has been selected. You can also select the column by click on its header. You can also select the row by click on its header. Here you can find some data that are to be copied and cut. You can find the cut and paste options in the clipboard, which is given in the Home tab. First, select the data which will be copied. Now, go to the copy option and click on it. Now, select the another row where you want to copy the data and then go to the paste option and click on it. You can see the data has been copied to the another cell. You can also remove the most recent action with the undo commands, which are to be given in the quick access toolbar, and it is to be shown in the top portion of the window. Click on it. You can see the data has been shown in its previous cell, not into the another cell. Now let's see the cut command. Now again select any data that you want to cut and then go to the cut option in the clipboard and click on it. Now select the another cell where you want to place the data and then go to the paste command. You can see the data has been removed from its previous cell and it is to be shown in the another cell. You can also remove the most recent action here by undo command, and also remove the undo command with redo command. Next is the autofill feature that fills the cell data and series of a data in a worksheet into a select range. For the autofill option, type any data in the first two cells. Type any data in the first two cells. Let me type 1 and 2. Now select both of the cells. You can see the cursor has been converted in a symbol. Now drag it to another cells and you can see the cells have been filled. It was the autofill feature. This was the learning how we can manipulate the data in a worksheet. Thank you.